Difference between management and administration. Basis. Meaning. Management is an organized way of managing people and things of the business organization. Administration is the process of administering an organization by a group of people. Authority. Management, middle and lower level. Administration, top level. Role. Management, executive. Administration, decisive. Concerned with. Management, policy implementation. Administration, policy formulation. Key person. Management, manager. Administration, administrator. Represents. Management, employees. Administration, owners. Function. Management, executive and governing. Administration, legislative and determinative. New issue market and secondary market. Basis. Meaning, new issue market is the marketplace for new shares. Secondary market is resale market. Buying. New issue market direct. Secondary market indirect. How many times securities sold? New issue market only once. Secondary market multiple times. Buying and selling between. New issue market company and investors. Secondary market investors. Gained person. New issue market company. Secondary market investors. Intermediary. New issue market underwriters. Secondary market brokers. Price. New issue market fixed price. Secondary market fluctuates, depends on the demand and supply force. Money market and capital market. Basis. Meaning. Money market. Market for short term funds not exceeding 1 year. Capital market. Market for long term fund exceeding 1 year. Supply of funds. Working capital requirement. Capital market. Fixed capital requirement. Instruments. Money market. Commercial bills. Capital market. Shares. Debentures. Government bonds, etc. Money value. Money market. Large amount. Treasury bill minimum 1 lakh. Commercial paper minimum 25 lakh. Capital market small amount. Shares rupees 10. Debentures rupees 100 minimum. Participants. Money market. Bankers. Reserve Bank of India and government. Capital market. Brokers. Investors. Underwriters. Risk. Money market. Low credit and market risk. Capital market. High credit and market risk. Regulators. Money market. Central bank. Capital market. Central bank. SEBI, etc. Stock exchange and commodity exchange. Basis, meaning stock exchange, capital market for purchase and sale of industrial and financial securities. Commodity exchange, market where commodities are traded. Function, stock exchange providing easy marketability. Commodity exchange offering hedging and price insurance services. Object, stock exchange capital formation, commodity exchange facilitating goods flow. Participants, stock exchange investors and speculators, commodity exchange producers, dealers and traders. Period of dealing, stock exchange cash ready delivery and dealing for account for a fortnight. Commodity exchange instant cash dealing and a settlement period of 2 or 3 months. Articles traded, stock exchange stocks and bonds, commodity exchange durables and graded goods. Price quotation, stock exchange forward dealings one quotation, commodity exchange future dealings multiple quotations. Recruitment and selection. Basis, meaning recruitment, searching candidates and encouraging them to apply. Selection, selecting the suitable candidates and offering job. Approach, recruitment, positive approach, selection, negative approach. Objective, recruitment, inviting large number of candidates, selection, picking up more suitable candidates. Sequence, recruitment first, selection second. Method, recruitment economical method, selection expensive method. Contractual relation, recruitment no contractual relation, selection contractual relation between employer and employee. Process, recruitment very simple and require less time, selection very complex and require more time. On the job training and off the job training. Basis, meaning on the job training, employee learns the job in the actual work environment. Off the job training, training employees outside the actual workplace. Cost, on the job training cheapest, off the job training expensive. Location, on the job training at the workplace, off the job training away from the workplace. Suitable for, on the job training production related jobs, off the job training managerial and non production related job. Approach, on the job training practical approach, off the job training theoretical approach. Principle, on the job training learning by performing, off the job training learning by acquiring knowledge. Methods, on the job training coaching, apprenticeship, mentoring, job rotation, etc. Off the job training role play, seminar, lectures, etc. Sale and agreement to sell. Basis: ownership transference. Sale: ownership transfer from seller to buyer immediately. Agreement to sell: ownership transfer at future. Risk of loss. Sale: loss falls on buyer. Agreement to sell: loss falls on seller. Consequences of violating the contract: seller cannot seize the goods. Agreement to sell: seller can repossess the goods. Nature of contract: sale, executed contract. Agreement to sell, executory contract. Insolvency of the buyer: sale, buyer return the goods to official receiver. Agreement to sell, seller can retain the goods. Insolvency of the seller: sale, buyer can claim the delivery of goods. Agreement to sell, buyer cannot claim the delivery of goods.